Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's blog, we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to speak English fluency and confidently. Many people understand English. They can read and write a little, but when it comes to speaking, they feel nervous, shy and scared. Words don't come, sentences break and confidence goes down. If you feel the same, don't worry at all. This blog is especially made for you. First of all, let me clear one big myth. Fluent English does not mean perfect English. Many learners think fluency means zero mistakes, perfect grammar, and a foreigner accent. This thinking creates fears. Fluency actually means speaking smoothly, clearly, and without too much hesitation. Confidence means speaking without fear of judgment. So, our goal is not perfection. Our goal is communication. The first step to speaking English fluency is changing your mindset. If you keep telling yourself, my English is weak, then it will remain weak. From today, start saying, I am learning English and I am improving every day. Your mind listen to what you tell it. A positive mindset is the foundation of confidence. The second step is start thinking in English. This is very important. Most learners think in Hindi and then translate into English. This translation process makes you slow and confused. Start with small thought. When you wake up, think, I am wake up. When you brush your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. When you go outside, think, I am going to work. Slowly your brain will get used to English thinking and speaking will become easier. The third step is speak English daily, even if you are alone. Many people say, I don't have anyone to practice with. This is not an excuse. You can talk to yourself. Self-talk is one of the most powerful technique. Talk about your day, your plans, your problems, or your dreams. Speak in front of a mirror for 5 to 10 minutes daily. At first, you may feel awkward, but after some day you will feel confident. The fourth step is use simple and clear English. Don't try to use big or difficult words to impress others. Simple English is strong English. Even native speakers use simple words in daily life. Speak short sentences. For example, instead of saying I am extremely excused due to workload, say, I am very tired today. Simple sentences increase fluency and reduce fear. The fifth step is improve your listening skill. Good speakers are good listeners. If you listen more, you speak better. Listen to English daily. Movies, web series, YouTube video, interviews, podcast or news. Choose content according to your level. Listen carefully to pronunciation, sentences, flow and common expressions. Try to repeat what you hear. This method improves both fluency and confidence. The sixth step is learn daily use English sentences. English speaking is not about grammar rules only. It is about ready sentences. Learn sentences used in daily life like greetings, phone calls, office conversation and casual talk. For example, how was your day? What do you do? Can you help me? Let's think about it. Practice these sentences again and again until they come naturally. The seventh step is don't be afraid of making mistake. This is the biggest problem. Many learners stay silent because they fear grammar mistakes. Remember one thing clearly. Mistakes are part of learning. Even children make mistakes while learning. their first language, but they still speak confidently. If people understand you, your English is successful. Grammar will improve with time. The eighth step is record your voice. Take your mobile phone and record yourself speaking English for 2 or 3 minutes daily. Speak on any topic, your routine, your job, your family, or today experience. Then listen the recording. You will notice your mistakes, pronunciations, problem, and hesitation. This habit builds self-awareness and confidence very fast. The ninth step is improve your pronunciation slowly. Pronunciation is important for confidence. You don't need a foreign assist. You need clear pronunciation. Use online dictionaries to listen to correct pronunciation. Repeat word loudly. Practice stress and intonations. Speak slowly and clearly. Clear pronunciation make people understand you easily, and this boosts confidence. The 10th step is increase your vocabulary with uses. Vocabulary is important, but learning words without using them is useless. Learn 5 new words daily, write them in a notebook, make your own sentences, and use those words in speaking the same day. This will improve your active vocabulary, which is necessary for fluent speakers. The 11th step is use English in real life situation. Don't keep English only in books or videos. Use it in daily life. Speak English with friends, colleagues, or anyone who understand basic English. Even if they reply in Hindi, you continue in English. Slowly your fear will disappear and confidence will grow. The 12th step is be consistent. Consistency is the key of fluency. Practice English daily, even if it is only 15 or 20 minutes. Daily small practice is better than long practice. Once a week, English is a skill, and skill grow with regular practice. Another very important point to stop comparing yourself with other. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people speak fluency in 6 months, some take 1 or 2 years. Focus on your own progress. Compare yourself with your past, not with others. Always remember these powerful lines. Confidence comes after speaking, not before speaking. Don't wait to become confident and then speak. Speak first and confidence will come automatically. Every time you speak, you are improving. Before ending this blog, I want to motivate you from my heart. English is just a language, not a measure of intelligence. You can learn it, you will learn it. Just trust the process and never give up. Thank you for watching this blog. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember one day you will speak English fluency and confidently. Goodbye and take care.